Hello, so today I wanted to share an unboxing of the new Papergang stationery subscription. So it used to be a box and now it comes in this really long tube, which obviously protects the materials inside a lot better and also probably gives them more room for different kinds of stationery products. I don't know, this is my first time, this is the first box that has come in this form, so I thought it would be interesting to share the unboxing. If you love stationery goodies, papers, notebooks, stickers, just cool stationery supplies, then you'd probably be interested in Papergang. I have a subscription, which is basically a monthly box that arrives with a bunch of stationery goodies. So let me open this up and show you what is inside. I'm not really sure how to open this up. I guess these white tops should open up. Okay, there we go. So you just remove the white top and sort of slide out the stuff. So there's a bunch of tissue paper, I guess, to keep it. Oh, very cool. A pencil box, a pencil case, and then there's the explanatory papers, and obviously because it's in this giant roll, I have to slip this out without ruining it, I guess. There's something in here. Whoa. So that's it. Those are the materials that are in this tube, and this tube is super strong. I feel like I should do something with it afterwards. But there's this ginormous print. Oh, so cool. It's sort of retro cartoony. I really like the color. So obviously this is meant to be an art print that you put up on the wall, but obviously it's paper. You can use it for a lot of different purposes. You could even cut it apart if you didn't mind cutting it apart. It's very cool. So I guess the only thing is that you obviously have to be careful when you unpackage this because it's just the sheet of paper. It's not protected by anything, which is okay. I mean, I don't really want extra packaging or plastic and that kind of thing if it's not necessary. And this is just tissue paper, so that can be recycled. So you get the monthly calendar as always, which I think is also a printable that you can get on their blog. So even if you don't subscribe to the Papergang stationery box, you can get the calendar and sort of print it yourself, the graphic. So I'll include a link to that, obviously, so if you're into printables. But it comes with a little notebook each time to sort of tell you what's in it. So there is an A2 lithoprint, the skinny pencil case, a washi tape, and a pen. Oh, so where's the washi tape and pen? Maybe it's in here. Or is it in this thing? I have no idea. Oh, there we go, see? It's in here. The washi tape. Very cool design. And the pen that matches the print. So it's sort of these cool graphic look. And obviously it tells you about the illustrator, Peskimo, the creative brainchild of David and Jody, brought to life in 2004. Their designs, prints, and pins have gone from strength to strength. So it talks about obviously giving you information. So it's really fun to learn about different artists and obviously be able to follow them online as well if you really like their work. So every month you just get something new like this to explore. And then there's information about, Papergang. So here's where on the Papergang blog, you can totally get the free wallpaper and calendars, I believe. They used to have the calendar, so I'll have to check to see what they have now, but I'm sure they have something. And obviously the Papergang store has really cute stationery, so you can just buy things individually as well. Lots of greeting cards. So I really enjoy receiving this kind of thing every month, like a surprise, sort of like a gift to yourself kind of thing. So definitely check it out if you're interested. You can find out all the information below. I'll just include all the links below the video. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you next time.